Hello, today we're going to share about this Epic model 500Z. Another name is Epic 5G, where it's suitable for wooden door. For this type of model, there's another model that is suitable for grill door only, where there is some design difference for the back body. So let's start. Okay, the box is very slim. This model come with the pin numbers features, come with the RFID card, fingerprint, Bluetooth. Mechanical key is only for grill model, not for this model. Okay, firstly we will get a user manual. It's an international version, so everything is in English, so don't worry. You will get a installation template where it's 1:1 dimensions, so you can just fold the line and put the template directly on your door to install the locks. You will get a simple this is the user manual, so basically about the product descriptions, the components that require for the installations, and a user guide to teach you how to register the fingerprint, register the access cards. Quite details instructions here. So inside the box, you will get a front body. This is how the front body looks like. This is the fingerprint reader. Okay, the access card, and this part much probably will be the keypad. There's a rubber on the front and the back body as well. So this is the aluminium alloy. This is the back body. Okay, you can see this is the manual 𝗘𝗔𝗚𝗟𝗘 to allow you to unlock and lock manually. This is the automatic button that you can press this button to unlock when you put in the battery. Okay, open, close. There's a rubber. This is where the board here. Okay, for the wooden door versions, this part will be a 𝗘𝗔𝗚𝗏. For the grill versions, it will be a key part, and the button is not able to function. Okay, so you will see this is the battery cover. To remove the battery cover, just twist with your hand. Okay, so you require 4-piece AA battery to operate. This is the register button when you're going to do the setting, and this part is actually an external part that you can insert the remote control module. It's optional, it's not come in the box, or you can just plug in to connect the wooden door versions with the grill door versions, and you can unlock the door once. When you unlock the grill, the wooden door will unlock as well. Okay, so you will get the access card, 2-piece key tag size, and 2-piece IC size. And you will get the accessories, the screw, a 4-piece AA battery, and the striker part. So the auto lock sensor is actually rely on this magnet inside, so you need to install this plate on the door itself. Okay, this is the accessory that for you to make the parts thicker. Okay, this is the item that is inside the box. So you will get the user manual guide, back body, front body, the striker plate, 2 key tag size access card, IC size access card 2-piece, and also the screw accessories, and also 4-piece AA battery. Okay, so I already put in the battery and connect the front body and back body. Okay, so let's test whether it's working. Okay, this is the fingerprint sensor. So much of it I not yet do the registrations, so we can try with the default password. Oh right, it's working. Okay, so you can just press the button. Okay, so this is the thumb turn that you can actually twist left and right, or by pressing the button. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, the manual stated that the door thickness have to be minimum 40 mm thickness to maximum up to 50. You can register up to 100 fingerprints and 200 RFID cards.